Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert Campfire symbol in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, open your Apple Keynote software. Then open your Keynote presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation. Now go to the first slide on the presentation and you can see here are shape menu. Now I am click this. Now here are many category of the shape. Now I am go to symbol and you can see here are many symbol. Now I am search my campfire symbol. Now scroll down and search the campfire symbol. I find it. Now you can see this is campfire symbol. Now click this and insert it. Now increase the symbol easily, move the symbol easily, then change the symbol color. Now firstly select the symbol and you can see here are many symbol color. Now I am change the symbol color. Now I am go to the more color on the symbol. You can see here are more color on the symbol, theme color. You can make custom color easily. Now you can see campfire symbol in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.